All right, welcome back. What we're going to talk about now is what's called the Facebook pixel, because we're going to try to create a conversion ad in Facebook. And if this is all gibberish to you right now, that's okay. Just stick with me, take notes, and try to, if you have to watch this over again, watch it over one more time. So here we go. We're going to create something called the Facebook pixel. And if you're in your ads manager or if you're in your business manager, what you want to do is up here at the top left, you're going to click up here on ads manager. And if you don't know how to get to this page, what you do is you type in business.facebook.com/ads manager. So business.facebook.com/ads manager. This will bring you to something like this page, or it'll probably look a little more like this. And then from there, you click up here in the top left, and then you're going to click on Pixels. So a Facebook pixel is a little strip of code that goes into your sales funnel and will actually track the people as they go through your sales funnel so you can segment them out. So here's what that would look like. So first things first is to click this green Create a Pixel little button down there, and you can actually just leave the pixel name. That's totally fine. You can just leave that as one's pixel for right now. If you need to go rename it later, that's okay. For the sake of simplicity, we're just going to create this one pixel right now. Okay, so once this pops up, you're going to select a setup method. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on manually install the code yourself, and we're going to scroll down to number 2 where it says copy the entire pixel and paste it in the website header. You're going to click this, and as soon as you click into that little box, it copies all of this code. I recommend, if you use Google Chrome, that you use the Facebook extension pixel, the Facebook pixel extension. So Facebook pixel extension. And this is for Chrome. So if you Google search Facebook pixel extension, and this is what you're looking for, the Facebook pixel helper. So what it does is it puts a little thing here up at the top of your Chrome browser, and it lets you know that your Facebook pixel is working correctly. So you can read through how that works and everything. If you need help with that, just ask your coach. But it'll put a little thing on your Chrome browser, and then when you go to your actual website, it will light up green on that, showing that the pixel has been installed properly.
All right, now once I have my pixel copied, I'm going to come into my Cheetah builder, or really whatever website builder you're using, okay? So if you're using Pixel Perfect, or if you're using a different software company, look, that's fine. You're going to come into, I'm just going to give the example here in Cheetah to kind of show you, but this exists in any company and any site builder, okay? So if you're having issues with this or you're not able to figure it out, just remember, go straight to their support. Whatever company you're working with, just go straight to their support. You don't need to post in this group saying you can't figure it out or you're dying, okay? You're a business owner. You'll figure it out. Go to their support, say, hey, look, I'm trying to paste in the Facebook pixel code. I can't find it. Can you help me? Or better yet, type into YouTube, Pixel Perfect Facebook pixel installation, and there's going to be a video that'll pop up probably, or Cheetah or whatever. But so here we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight into one of my funnels, and let's do this one here. And the first thing you're going to do is go to Site Settings. This is actually really easy. So you're just going to scroll down right here, go to Script Settings, and oh look, Facebook Pixel Script, and just paste in your script. Scroll down and click Save. Now we're going to test this. So after I've done that, then what I want to do is I actually want to just look at my site. Okay, so I'm going to click over here, go to Website. And then if I click on the Facebook Pixel script up here and it pops down, you can see that the Pixel script is installed and it's working. All right, now we're going to do one other thing on the thank you page as well. Okay, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to go to Settings. and you can see there is a page head scripts. All right, now we're going to do one other thing in Facebook. We're going to put in a lead pixel. All right, so the purpose of the lead pixel is it creates an event. So when somebody comes to this page here, this is our capture page, right? Now, if they give us their first name and their email, that to us is a lead. They gave us their information. They want us to follow up. So then by the time that they get over here to the thank you page, all right, if they land on this page, this is a lead. They entered their name and email to get here, right? So we're going to put a lead tracking pixel on this page so that it'll shoot back to Facebook and say, hey, this person is a lead. And what that'll do for you is when you run Facebook ads, it'll be able to track every single person who goes through your funnel, and it will give you an accurate cost per lead. All right. So under the page head scripts, we're going to grab our our lead tracking pixel. So after you've grabbed the base code, you'll click continue, and then right here you'll see it says use Facebook's event setup tool. Do not do that. Okay? You can do it, but don't do that right now. You're going to hit manually add event code, and then it's going to pop up with this whole thing, and you're not actually going to see lead here for the first time. So just click on these categories, and look, this page changes from time to time. Facebook is always iterating and changing. So if something looks a little different, just make sure you're finding the lead event somewhere. Okay, so real estate. Okay, real estate, and there it is. So what it's doing here is it's putting these in categories of what would be likely. So if you were in education, these are more likely outcomes. So you have a lead tracking pixel here under education or under real estate. Either of those will work fine. And all you're going to do is come down here, and you're going to find this script and click copy to clipboard. And you're going to come back over here to the page head scripts. This is on your thank you page. This is really important. This only goes on your thank you page. And you're going to hit paste. That's all you're going to do. You're going to click on save. All right, now when I come to the thank you page and I hit this, and then I hit go to website page, and then if I click up here on the Facebook pixel, boom, it works. So now every single time that we set up a Facebook ad with the conversion event of lead, and if you don't know what that means yet, that's okay, we'll get there, then this is going to trigger back that this person is a lead, and it'll help Facebook optimize your ads to get lower lead costs. Okay, so that's really the whole point and the whole goal of this thing.